BBQ.
Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's 10:52 on Saturday. I got these two giant pork butts, and we're going to trim these suckers up. We're going to get them seasoned up. We're going to get them on the grill or on the smoker. We got the Oklahoma Joe Ryder DLX pellet grill. We got that sucker going right now. Anyway, we're going to get these on there and get them cooking. I got to get these suckers done hopefully by sometime tonight and get them pulled and everything. And then in the morning I'm going to take them back out. I'm going to put them in like a refrigerator or whatever tonight. And then in the morning I'll take them out. I'm going to put them back on the smoker for just a little bit, get a little heat in them, and then we're going to sauce them up, and then we're going to put them in a big old roaster. Then I'm going to take it up to the park, and we're going to turn these suckers into this little local competition I'm in. Enough said, let's get started. Alright, little midday update. What time is it? 4:45. We're at 4:45. So about halfway-ish. A little less than halfway. Or a little over halfway? A little less. Whatever. Doesn't matter. 165 on one, 162 on the other. I don't know if you can see that. Let's take a quick peek. Are looking fantastic. I turned my heat down just a notch because they are cooking pretty quick. I was worried they weren't going to cook as quick as they are, but we're gonna let it go. We're just gonna keep letting them go. I don't know that I'm gonna wrap them. I'm gonna keep an eye on them a little bit. I may wait another 10 degrees and then wrap it. I just kind of want to see how it goes just a little bit longer. So anyway, just gonna keep letting it ride. So I went ahead and thought about it just a little bit. I decided to go ahead and wrap it. They are at 169, 163. So I try to get it close to 170, but you know, one's 100, almost basically 170, and the other one's getting closer, but that's okay. So I went ahead and wrapped it. As you can see, they look pretty good. They're looking pretty good. I pulled the water pans out. I'm gonna go ahead and let them cool off, and I'll dump them out. But they look pretty good. I'm pretty happy with them so far. So anyway, now we just gotta let them get all the way to temp. I really thought this was gonna take a lot longer, so I started out with a little bit higher temperature this time. Of course there's a tractor going by. Why is there not a tractor going by right now? Anyway, sorry about the tractor going by. Just random tractor driving down the street. Cool. All right. So anyway, I got them wrapped up. I'm gonna throw the pans away, and we're just gonna let it go. I cooked it a little faster than I should have. Probably my mistake, but you know, going from 1 6-pounder to 2 basically 9-pounders, I turned the heat up another notch, and probably got it done just a little faster than I planned on. But that's okay. It's still got time. I turned the heat back down. It's got time to go. I got to go from 170 to 205. So we've got plenty of time for this to cook, and then we'll pull it off and get it pulled. Alright, it's been an hour. I've been resting here in the Coleman cooler, and we're going to go ahead and take them out, slap them on the cutting board here, and we're going to get them pulled up. Sorry if this video is a little kind of all over the place. We're done now. We just got home from the barbecue cook-off. Like I said, it was just up here at the park. It wasn't that far away, but you know what? It was pretty cool. They had a big turnout. It was a good time. Had several guys that, you know, cooked a bunch of pork butts just like I did. Anyway, it's all said and done now. It's official. I did win. But you know, I knew a lot of people, so I don't know if that helped, but I did win, so it's cool. It's cool. My first win doing barbecue is pretty neat. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. So anyway, like I said, I apologize for the video being a little all over the place. I got done late last night chopping up all the pork, and then this morning was a little crazy trying to get everybody out the door and get everything together and get the not the crock pot, but the roaster going and all that. So it was a little interesting today, but anyway, it all went well. It looks like they did very well at the kind of like a fundraiser for the sesquicentennial of our town. So anyway, it was cool. So that's the end of the video. That's all I got for you guys this time. We'll see you guys next time on another episode of BBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.